Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix WhatsApp business login issues, account and verification errors step by step clearly. Open WhatsApp Business on your device. If you encounter a login issue, confirm you have a stable internet connection. Check if your phone's date and time settings are accurate. Adjust them if necessary, as incorrect date and time can affect login. Try restarting your device to refresh the system settings. If problems persist, consider reinstalling WhatsApp Business. Before reinstalling, back up your chats if necessary. Uninstall the app from your device. Go to your App Store and reinstall WhatsApp Business. Open the app once installation is complete. Enter your business phone number for verification. Wait for the verification code to arrive via SMS or call. If you don't receive a code, choose the option to resend it. Make sure your number is entered correctly, including the country code. If you're still facing issues, check with your mobile carrier. Ensure that they are not blocking messages from WhatsApp. If you're using dual SIM cards, ensure you're using the right number. Consider turning off any VPN services, as they can interfere with verification. If the code received is incorrect, request another one. After entering the correct verification code, you will proceed to set up your profile. If you experience an account error, check WhatsApp's support page for account-specific issues. You may also consider sending an email to WhatsApp support for further assistance. Provide necessary details about the issue in your support request. After resolving the issue, ensure your app is regularly updated for optimal performance. Once everything is in order, start using WhatsApp Business for your professional communications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.